Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, in case you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, like the video and share. So in today's class, we are going to learn about indices and logarithms. And we've been given a small question here that we are going to solve by use of indices and logarithms. So the question here is 3x squared, 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x is equals to 3 raised to power 4. So in order for us to solve this type of question, we are going to apply some of the laws of indices here. So let's go ahead. So when we come to solution, so when we have 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x to be equals to 3 raised to power 4, you will realize that all their bases are the same, and the base here is 3. So when you have 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x, we can decide to do away with this addition sign by having a multiplication. So 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x is the same as 3 raised to power x multiplied by 2. So then that will give us 2 into 3 raised to power x should therefore be equals to 3 raised to power 4. From here, when we want to remain with the 2 on our left side, and when we want to only remain with 2 on our left side, then we will need to divide both sides by 3 raised to power x. So when we divide both sides by 3 raised to power x, then we are ending up with 2 into 3 raised to power x, and what we do on the left side will also be done on the right side, and therefore it will be 3 raised to power x is going to cancel one another, so then we will remain with the 2 to be equals to 3 raised to power 4 over 3 raised to power x. And from the laws of indices, when you are dividing two numbers with the same basis, then it is the same as maintaining the base and then subtracting the powers, and therefore we end up with 2 to be equals to 3 raised to power 4 minus x. 4 minus x is a power. So from here we cannot proceed unless we introduce logs or logarithms. So when we introduce logarithms, then we are therefore going to introduce logarithms on both sides. And when we do so, we are therefore going to say that log of 2 is going to be equals to 4 minus x log of 3. From the laws of logarithms and indices, when you are converting an index to a log, then the power is pre-multiplied by the log of the same number. So log of 2 is giving us 0.3010, and the log of 3 is 0.4771. So that log of 3 multiplied by 4 minus x, we are getting 0.30, 0.3010 to be the log of 2, and 0.4770 when you multiply by 4, you get 1.9084, then minus 0.4771x. So in order to solve x, we are going to move 0.4771 onto the left side of the equal sign, then it becomes a positive number, that is 0.4771x to be equals to 1.9084 minus 0.3010, and that gives us the value of 1.6074. So 0.771x is now going to be equals to 1.6074. To get x, divide both sides by 0.4771x. I mean 0.4771, and we get the value of x to be 3.369. So therefore our final answer becomes 3.369. And that is the end of our video. Please do subscribe and share the video and like the video as well. Thank you. Let us meet in the next lesson.